This tutorial is going to teach us how to set a password for all WordPress posts using WordPress bulk post editing plugin. In the WordPress bulk post editing plugin, you can easily set a new password for all posts and custom posts, or change it by using bulk edit form or bind edit. If you want to set a password for some custom posts, it is necessary to filter them by using filter form or finding and selecting them using quick search. In this tutorial, we found Samsung phone by using quick search fields. Then type Samsung phone in the text box, and then choose title from the combo box, and then select like from the condition box, and then go ahead and click on filter icon. Now I'm going to show you how to set a password for those custom posts by using bulk edit form. Okay, first go ahead and open bulk edit form, which is available in the address that I'm going to show you now: WordPress dashboard, IT bulk editing, WP posts, and bulk edit form button. There it is. By clicking on the bulk edit button, you can find the post password field in the general tab of bulk edit form. What you're gonna do next is set the conditions and values. As you can see, you can bulk edit custom posts password by setting the conditions and values in 3 different boxes, including condition box. The following items are provided in the condition box to help you edit post passwords as your requirements. Append: add a value to the end of the current password. Prepend: add a value to the beginning of current password. New: set a new password. Delete: remove some values from the current password. Replace: replace some values in the current password by the new ones. In the text box, you can either type a value including text, numbers, quotations, and etc., or add a variable from the variable box to bulk edit the post password according to the set condition. In the variable box, some default values are listed, and you can add as many items as you need to the text box for bulk editing post passwords. These items include title, ID, menu order, parent ID, and parent title. Now let's see some examples about how to set passwords for our selected posts by bulk edit form. Alright, the first example is setting a new password. In order to set a new password for our custom posts, you should first choose new from the condition box, and then add ID and title from the variable box and type, let's see, we're gonna type @ post password after them, and then go ahead and click on do bulk edit button. In order to make sure that our changes were applied to the custom posts, we added the post password column to the post table by column profile form. And as you can see, the new password was set for all of our custom posts. Example number 2 is appending a value to the post password. If you choose append from the first drop-down list, any value or variable typed in the text box will be added to the end of the existing password. So we chose menu order from the variable box, and after clicking on do bulk edit button, the menu order of each post will be attached to the end of each post password. Example number 3 is prepending a value to the beginning of the existing password. When we choose prepend from the condition box and type new password in the text box, it'll be added to the beginning of the post password after clicking on the do bulk edit button. Example number 4 is deleting some values from the post password. This item enables you to bulk delete some values from the custom post passwords. For example, we decided to remove ID and new password from the post password. Alright, first, select delete from the condition box and then choose ID from the variable box. And now go ahead and we're gonna type new password in the text box, and then go ahead and click on the do bulk edit button, and the result is gonna turn out exactly as we expected to after applying those changes. Example number 5 is going to be about replacing some values in the post password. As shown here, you can choose any value included in your post password to be replaced by some other values. For example, we tried to replace title by ID in the custom post password. So we need to choose replace from the first condition box and then choose title from the first variable box and then select same case from the second condition box. Now go ahead and select ID from the second variable box. These changes resulted in what you see here. You can also choose ignore case from the second condition box to ignore the value you entered in the text box and replace all other values in the post password by the new value you have set. As we mentioned before, another way to bulk edit post passwords is using bind edit. To be able to use bind edit, you need to add the post password column to the post table as we have done before by using column profile form. Now you can easily bulk edit post password directly from the table by selecting those posts required to be edited by marking the checkbox next to either ID or each post. Now mark the checkbox next to bind edit and click on one of the post password columns. Then edit the password by typing any value in the text box. Now go ahead and click on enter. And as you can see, all passwords of the selected posts were changed at the same time.